Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add an account into Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add or create an account into Slack, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after that click into this Go On option. Now, after going into this page, you just simply have to choose either this continue with Google option or continue with email address. You can also use sign in with workspace URL option. Just simply choose any of the option which is suitable for you. I'm choosing this continue with Google option into here. And now after tapping into there, all of your Google accounts will appear. Now you just simply have to choose the Google account from which you want to continue. And after selecting the Google account, just simply tap into this create a workspace option and set a username for your Slack workspace. After entering the name, just simply click to next button. Then after doing all this, you have successfully created an account in Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.